We have an exciting video lined up for you today because we're going to look at the top 5 must-have accessories for your Tesla, and I'm starting right now. I did receive a package from EVBASE.com for a new accessory, so at the end of the video we will be installing this accessory as well, so stick around because you don't want to miss what's inside of this box. Over at EVBASE.com you can get 20% off not only on the accessories that's featured in this video today, but on any accessory whenever you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout at EVBASE.com, and I'm going to link all of that down below. So first up, we have these stunning wheel covers that not only enhance the aesthetics of your Tesla, but also provide protection against dirt and debris. And I actually went back before and recorded a video on these wheel covers from EVBASE, and I'm receiving better mileage, better range with the wheel covers versus the factory stock wheel covers that comes with your Tesla. And the cool thing with EVBASE is not only can you get these, they have a wide variety and a big selection of what you can have. And as you can see with this package too, the EVBASE, all of their packages come very well packaged, so you don't have to worry about them being damaged in the mail. If you don't have scissors, you might need to get you a pair because you can't just rip it out. So you know that the packages that's coming from EVBASE, like this mystery package that I have right here, is very well prepared. And you can see right here on your screen the before and after pictures of the wheel covers, and you can see it really makes a difference. And secondly, we have a carbon fiber spoiler here that will add some sportiness to your Tesla. Now this rear wing is designed to enhance aerodynamics by reducing overall drag, which also reduces wind resistance, which increases the vehicle's stability, making your driver experience so much more enjoyable. And yes, this is real carbon fiber that's made with durable material, and it's very durable. I said durable, right? So it's very durable. Not only are the supplies that you receive and the accessories are durable, the packaging is very durable, because once we took this off, you can see it is still nicely packaged, because whenever you receive a package from EVBASE, it's going to be protected and secured the same way that you want to protect your Tesla screen. Purchasing a Tesla screen protector is essential whenever you're buying your Tesla, because you don't want any scratches to damage your screen, because your screen is the brains of your car, and if something happens to the screen, it will be very expensive to replace. And not only will this protect from damages, it also prevents like things like fingerprints, glare. So whenever I'm driving, I don't have to worry about the glares and the fingerprints and looking at the dust, because it's almost like it's invisible. And whenever you first take delivery of your Tesla, it comes with floor mats already. However, let's be honest that the floor mats that your Tesla comes with is not very premium. I'm just going to grab this out of the car real quick, and you can see, although their floor mats, look how thin it is, it's like glorified cardboard. So one thing that you're going to want for your Tesla will be all-weather floor mats. And these all-weather floor mats are very durable. You can see here, it's not as flimsy as the other ones, and they are extremely easy to clean. You can rinse it off with just a regular water hose. You can take it, beat it out old-fashioned style, and any liquid that may waste in your car, you don't have to worry about it damaging your interior, because the mats that your Tesla originally comes with, they are very hard to clean. Any dirt, any grit that get on there, it's like it's stuck there. However, this right here is going to last. And your all-weather floor mats, even here in the rear, as you can see, it is a nice fit. So you don't have to worry about dirt or slippage or anything else with these floor mats. So you want to get some really good mud flaps, and these really just pop right on your car. And it's custom fit that goes right here on your Tesla. You see it fits right in. And you already have like 2 little screws here. It's like push in. You just take them out of the original and you just put those right in, and it plugs right in. And this will actually help protect your car from dirt and debris, from getting up here messing up your paint, especially on those rainy days whenever mud gets thrown back on your car. So remember, you can get any of these accessories that you've seen on the channel so far, or any accessory on EVBASE.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. So let's go on and get into the box and see what we have here. It is a new accessory, and it's some type of storage material. Wow. Okay, and I can already tell you right now, it is inspired by the Cybertruck. Look at this. It looks just like the Cybertruck back. See, there go the back of your Cybertruck there. We have a little storage here. So it looked like that we have a Model Y rear storage box, and it's in the style of your Cybertruck. So you have a little storage here. And if you pull this off, you even have more storage. So let's go on and see how this is going to fit inside of here. And let's go on to turn the camera around. And you can see already that it is a nice snug fit. One thing that I would do is go back and probably get some command scripts or something like that, just to make sure it's not going to slide on these all-weather floor mats. But it does have a little bit of grip on the bottom. So if you don't have the all-weather floor mats, and you are not really sacrificing much space there. So this is good for those rear passengers. Y'all know I have 2 daughters. So this is good for them to store little things, put something up here if they need to, like a tissue box, or store things down below. So this is inspired by the Cybertruck, and you have that sleek and compact ABS organizer that it will fit perfectly in the center console space, as you can see here, or even under your seat. And this isn't just for organizing for storage. It will also allow diverse usage, from storing wet items to doubling down as an effective trash can. And you already saw that the installation couldn't have been easier. So what are some of your favorite Tesla accessories? Let me know down in the comment section below. Check out more videos right over there, all things related to accessories and your Tesla. Be sure you check it out and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.